What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akia Chic. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys some thrifting tips and tricks. I don't know if you're a new viewer, returning subscriber, but if you go through my channel, you can see that my most popular videos are hauls. I do clothing hauls, apartment hauls, all that jazz. It's pretty much a lot of clothing hauls. I haven't been able to spend a lot of money towards clothes. I haven't been able to go on shopping sprees. So I've been trying to get my little retail therapy in at thrift stores. Pretty sure a lot of people are hip to thrift stores now, but they sell used and gently worn clothes for a very low price. Check out your local thrift stores because they be having some great pieces. But yeah, today I'm gonna show you guys how I navigate through thrift stores, how we find these bomb pieces that y'all be seeing in this video today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. So my first tip and trick for navigating through thrift stores is, first of all, let me just say this. Not every thrift store is gonna have like all the popping pieces or whatever, so it may take a little time to find like the perfect thrift store, perfect for you. Don't get discouraged if you go to a thrift store that doesn't have really much in it. No two thrift stores are alike, because a lot of the clothes that are brought into like thrift stores are from their local community, unless they say otherwise. I know Goodwill is pretty much coming in from everyone in your community. Just keep that in mind if you're, trying to go to a thrift store. But I guess my first and foremost tip will be, know what you're looking for when you're going to a thrift store. Thrift stores are known for having really good flannels, really good professional suits, really good accessories. I'm pretty much gonna show you some of that stuff. I'm always looking for a business suit or a professional pant, and when I've been going on these couple of trips, I found just that. I'm always finding like some really cute plaid pants, and the brand names is always like Ann Taylor, Loft, Banana Republic. Here's another pair of pants that I found. Going in there looking for like professional attire, if you got an interview or something, you should definitely check out thrift stores first. Second tip is to go through each piece. I always start with my size, and I just go through, like if I'm looking for pants, I'm always going to the small. I usually wear a small. Excuse me. I usually wear a small, but sometimes I look into the medium because some people just may put clothes back, and you may find a little piece. I went through each and every one of them shirts to find pieces, because thrift stores have hidden gems. Sometimes people hide stuff, or sometimes they're not easily seen when you're just, going through, scattering through clothes. To go through every section, This tip kind of relates to the second one, but I meant like, if you can't find pants that you were looking for, I say go check out the outerwear, the skirts, the shirts, any other thing, because Goodwill be having some cute stuff. Every time when I can't find something when I'm going to Goodwill, I just stop and go look for something else because they be having some cute stuff. But yeah, that's what I meant by this tip. I just want to explain it before I continued. If I don't find like a good professional pant or whatever, a plaid pant, I always go and check out other sections. Another good section I like to check out is their blazers. I'm always finding blazers. I guess pantsuits and blazers were really popping back in the day, so everybody always just giving them away, but I'm always finding a cute, nice professional blazer. Even some are more stylish than the others, y'all see that with the zipper. But yeah, I'm always finding really good blazers. Another section you can check out is outerwear section. I love going to see if I can find a coat or a trench coat or a nice jacket, because you know how much jackets are. They're expensive. Thrift stores be having them for like maybe $5 to $10, so don't sleep. I found this trench from the thrift store. It came with a belt. I did a photo shoot with it. I'll plug that photo shoot in. If you're on Instagram, you've probably seen that photo shoot a million times, but I got the trench from there. Also found this bomb rain jacket. Look at this. And this was only I think they charged me $5, so yeah. What was my third tip? Oh, to look through every section. So make sure you're looking through every section. Another good section I like to look through is accessories. I love looking for purses. I really don't need purses. I have so many, but I always just go and see what they have. Never know if it's name brand. I got this little backpack thing from Nine West. This is really cute. I wore this over the summer a lot. It's just really nice to have. And I found this leopard wallet bag. Oh, I love this thing so much. But it's basically like a little wallet, but it's like in a purse. Really cute. More purses. So yeah, the accessories section is a really good nice place to look. Like I said earlier, a lot of people go looking for flannels. Go to the men's section. This is tip number 4. Go to the men's section, see what they got. If you're looking for a nice button down or a nice flannel, see what the men got, because their stuff is usually, what I see is usually like a bunch of flannels, a bunch of button down shirts. This is the flannel that I've got when I be checking out the men's section, so I really like this. Can be styled fashionably but also simple. So yeah, definitely look in the men's section, see what they got. 4th tip is always try on the clothes. I know some people may be like sanitary reasons, they may want to wash them before they put them on, but look, I personally like to know what the stuff look like on me before I go out and buy it. And that's the beauty with like going in-store shopping rather than online. You can try on your clothes. So if I have an opportunity to try on clothes, I will. A lot of people usually don't take back Goodwill stuff because it's so cheap, and then people be like feeling bad. I mean, people do it. They do have like return policy. I know Goodwill does. I don't know about other thrift stores. I say just get rid of all that hassle and just try on all your pieces. Some things may look better on the hanger, or they may fit differently to your body type. So yeah, I say definitely try your pieces before you leave. It ain't gonna hurt. It ain't gonna hurt. I know thrift stores are extremely cheap, but some of these thrift stores be looking now and they be having like a student discount, or I know the Goodwill in my area do like $2 tag Tuesday, so you can go to any Goodwill, and if they have like a red or a green tag, you can get it for $2. Look, they be looking out for us, y'all. They be looking out for us broke people. So next video, you guys gonna be seeing me styling all these pieces that I put together. I was gonna do a try on haul, but it's not like you guys can get the pieces. So, and it's a lot of clothes that I have going on in this little section. So yeah, I think that is it for all my tips. If you guys have any Goodwill tips, thrift store tips that you want to share, feel free to comment them below. You know, if you got some hidden gems or something, I would love to, you know, see what you're working with. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.